Hey friends, welcome back to Chronically Overdressed. So today I have a mystery vintage unboxing to do with you, and I'm so excited to get to it. So as I was scrolling one night on TikTok, I came across this business that does vintage mystery boxes. And she was putting all of the pieces together for somebody's box, and it just looked so cute. And I thought, you know what? I really love my Redbird vintage boxes, but those are jewelry. And I really wanted to do something for housewares. As you may know, I am decorating my kind of office slash study right now. I'm in the process of kind of putting everything together, and I really thought it would be super fun to do kind of a mystery box. And they have this personalization that you can, give them any information about yourself, and then they'll pick out items that, would be perfect for you or that style. So for my study, I have decided to do a kind of vintage, dark botanical type of decor. And I've been trying to, piece together some really interesting things. I want it to be a little bit more on the kind of dark apothecary, maybe Victorian style. That's just the kind of feel that I really want for my office. I'm painting one wall this gorgeous kind of hunter green, and all of my bookcases and the floors and the beams in the room are already really dark. And so I wanted some of the decor to match that. And I've got a really great gallery wall that is that I'm starting to put together, and so I'm really excited. And that's the personalization that I asked for. Kind of explained that to them, and I also gave them my my Instagram account if they wanted to look there just to see my style and all of that stuff. So I'm really excited to see what they put together. I did open the box because I honestly wasn't sure what it was. But as soon as I realized what it was, I hadn't looked inside or anything like that. So this is going to be a complete blind unboxing with you guys. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, so a little advertisement there. Cute little floral sticker. Okay, oh my goodness. Okay, I guess I'm just going to do one at a time. I'm going to pull them out as they are sitting here. So I have no idea what this is. What do we have here? Oh, I still don't know what it is. I don't know if it's like a little scarf or little swag. It's like lace crochet and little beads. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this actually will go really well as like a little swag. I do have a fireplace in my room. So maybe I could somehow, oh my goodness, it's so long, figure out how to kind of put this up as a little swag. That's gorgeous. And then we have another little piece. This looks like clothing as well. Oh goodness, there's so many things in here. I honestly don't remember how many items I requested. I asked for the large because I did want something. I wanted more. Oh, this is darling. Oh my goodness. This little lace doily, and it's got embroidery. Oh, that is so cute. That would be really nice framed. I could get a really cool looking frame to put that in. It'll help to preserve it too. That's really cute. So yeah, I don't actually know how many items are going to be in here. Like I said, I got the large just because I wanted the most stuff. And oh, looks like a little piece kind of got broken off in the. Okay, so well, this definitely isn't for me, but I really like the frame. I'm not crazy about a little girl praying as I'm pagan. It's not really my thing, but I love the frame, and I could definitely find something else to put in this little frame. And I can't, it looks like something kind of broke off in here, but I can't tell where it's coming from. Oh well, I'm sure I'll figure it out. Okay, next item. And I love these. They so they have little like to and from like little gifts that have your name on them, which is really nice. Oh, that's cute. Little pillow. Oh, and it has a little pocket in the back here. I don't know if it's just embroidered. I don't really know the difference. I know what cross stitch looks like because I cross stitch, but I don't know the difference between just embroidery or needlework, or if needlework is just kind of the kind of umbrella term for all things using a needle that encompasses cross stitch and embroidery. But anyway, it's very cute. A beautiful little bird with some little flowers. That's very cute. That definitely will go in my room. Oh my goodness. Okay, so they package these really, really well. These must be more breakable items since they are fully wrapped. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love that. Again, this is perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for in my dark botanical study. Oh, I love that. That is absolutely gorgeous. There's nothing on the bottom, but oh, beautiful. Yes, perfection. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Oh, so many things. Okay, another possibly breakable item. Oh my goodness, these are little cordial glasses. So cute. If you recall, I got some really cute cordial glasses in my my Redbird vintage box too. These are a little different, but oh, the starbursts on there are so beautiful. Oh, those are gorgeous. Those will actually go really, really cute sitting on top of this little lace doily. I'm calling it a doily, even though it's not crocheted, it's definitely lace. I don't know if that makes a difference in a doily, or if it's more about the purpose, the action of it. Okay. Oh, another. Oh, so beautiful. It's a little, like a little oil bottle, or maybe a very small decanter if you just want a tiny little bit of a drink. Oh my goodness. Look at that stopper. Oh, That's gorgeous. That is amazing. I love that. That is so beautiful. Okay. Oh. Oh no, I don't think this one made it. Oh, it did not. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is such a horrible sound. Oh wow, that just really, yeah, that one did not make it at all. Oh no. It totally broke in half and there's little shattered pieces in here. Oh, that's so sad. I might be able to glue it. I don't know. There's a lot of shattered pieces in here. Oh, what a bummer. That is such a beautiful piece. Can't really tell what it says on the bottom here. I'll have to take a picture and get it really close and see what it says. It looks like it might be in another language, actually. Oh, well, that's a bummer. That very rarely happens. I don't think I've had anything from like the Redbird Vintage come broken. Oh, and I set that aside gently because it has all these little shards. Yikes. Okay. Okay, I think we're done with the breakable pieces. Oh my goodness. Another dish. Oh, this one's metal. What does that say? International silver plate. Oh, that's beautiful. I could just use a little polishing up. Definitely have some patina on the bottom and on the sides here. That's lovely. But I kind of like the patina. It's kind of almost a rainbow color. Little rainbow effect. That's really neat. That's cool. Okay. I think we've got 2 more things after this. So this one feels like maybe a book or some paper. Yep, it looks like a book. Oh, this is really cool. Oh, this actually goes along with a video that I am working on right now. So care and repair of the house. This is from the U.S. Department of Commerce, Bureau of Standards. Let's see if we can find the year from 1931. Oh, including minor improvements, building and housing publication. Oh, this is so cool. So, care and repair of the house has been written to aid homeowners in keeping their property in good repair. It comes from the people's own scientific laboratory, the National Bureau of Standards, and offers directly to them the results of the government studies of its own problems of purchasing and of keeping buildings in repair. Oh, that's so cool. We no longer own a house. We rent this house, but I love these types of little booklets. This is cool. I really like this. This will be a really fun and interesting book to go through and see, you know, what kind of standards they had in 1931 for owning a home. That's really fun. Okay, we have another book. The Gentleman's Agreement by Laura Holson. Is that right? Laura Hobson. So yes, Gentleman's Agreement. Laura Hobson. Let's see when this was published. A novel by Laura Hobson, Simon & Schuster, 1947. Wow. So copyright 1946 and 1947. That is so cool. I will have to read through this and see what kind of novel this is. What do we have? 260 some pages? 260, oh no, 275. That's a good size. Very cool. I love old books. Oh, they smell so good. Okay, last item. Looks like we have a tin tray. Oh, this is beautiful. I really love these. I actually have one that's I'm going to be putting up on my gallery wall, and this will actually go perfect. I can hang this up really nicely, and the colors are absolutely perfect. The green and the flowers. So I am super excited about all of this. They did a fantastic job and really picked out items that I think will go so well in my study, my office, and I'm really excited about this. I might have to do this again. I'm still putting together my guest room, and I don't really have a lot of decor for the guest room, so I might actually do this for that as well. I think that would be really fun. Well, thank you guys so much for indulging in this new unboxing. I do have a Redbird vintage box that I will be doing in a couple of weeks, and I will definitely be showing you my my room, my study. Once it's all done, I still need to paint it and get everything situated, but I will be sharing that with you, as well as a whole house tour once I feel like everything is, pretty solid and put together. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye.